Riwruog jotije mbalariany ma Nairobi obuogo ng'anyo ka piny owacho kodonjo e konyo tieko yuarruok moseneno e mbalarianyno. Riwruogno kokalo kuom jagoro margi Laktar Maloba Wekesa oyango ne yuarruoge mosebedo kadhi nyime osekelo midhiero ne jotije mag mbalarianyno ka sani giywak ni jotich pok ochulo osara maggi. Riwruogno kwayo piny owacho mondo okony e tieko yuarruok ka giyango ni gichano bago ng'anyo ka ywak gi ok owinji, bende gikwedo okang' mane okaw mar oro obila e apis jalup chancellor ma mbalarianyno Ngire Kiama masani ochunge tich.
Meweka simu on, put it on.
The University Council needs to act on the demands we are asking. Failure of which we will go back to our members and ask them to shelve their labor. That is the due process of the law.
And we want to call upon the government to ensure that stability and order as the foundation of university growth and progress is restored in the university.
We have manufactured instability at the University of Nairobi. And this has continued for a while now because there were reforms which were introduced a couple of years ago, 2 or 3 years. This union went to court. The court stopped the reforms. And what we expected was the existing structures were supposed to be upheld. One of the key dockets, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Finance and Administration, is yet to come back